Hi everybody, it's Norman from hisnibs.com, and in this little video we're going to take a look at the third of the three Conklin Heritage Collection pens. And here we have it, and this is called the Conklinetta, or side button filler. And let me bring it a little bit closer to the camera. It's a lovely combination of blues and kind of even cream colors here at the end, although each pen will be a little bit different. And this is the side button filler, which is accessed just by turning the ring, and that allows filling by depressing of the button on the side, hence the name. And then to lock it again, you just turn the ring back. But more of that in the next scene from the video. Thanks much. So here we have the third addition to the Conklin Heritage series, and this lovely slim pen is called the Conklinetta, or side button filler. And it's a beautiful, as the other two models in the series are, beautiful pearlescent finish. This has blue inclusions and actually some almost cream colored here in this section of the barrel. And each pen, of course, is unique as far as the actual resin used for that particular pen. So you have the usual Conklin Clip, still one of the very best designs for a fountain pen clip. I guess it's more than 100 years old now, and they really haven't improved on it in my mind. Here, I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. It says Conklinetta, made in Italy, and then the pen-specific number of the 98 that have been made. Now, as I said, it's a slim pen. You can go to the website to see the actual dimensions. But Conklin has also decided to use a smaller nib on this pen in keeping with its dimensions. And one of the things that does is there are still 3 sizes of nib offered on the pen, but in this case it's a fine, medium, and broad, as opposed to the fine, medium, and stub that are offered in the larger nibs. And this is the two-tone. This happens to be a broad, I believe. And now for the most interesting aspect of the pen. And this is the side button filler. So this is in the locked position now. And what you do to fill it is you move the ring so that the button is in the larger section, like that. This is where it rested. And we've moved the ring so that it's now in the unlocked position. So you just put this in your bottle of ink right above the section as normal, as with any other fountain pen. And you will then, let's see if I can this is not how you would do it, but so I can show you. You are going to just depress the side button and release while the nib is in the ink. Do it again. And each time you're depressing, you're deflating the ink sac inside. And when you release it, the sac begins to inflate, reinflate, and draw ink up into itself. So you can experiment with how many times you do this. Basically, you're going to depress the button, release, wait 5 or 6 seconds, do it again. 3 or 4 times should get you pretty much of a full fill in the ink sac. And then once you're done, then you're going to rotate this back into position, so now the button is locked. It can't depress anymore and cause accidents in your pocket or purse. And let me just post this so you can see the full length. It's a decently long pen, that's for sure. And that's how it would rest in my hand if I was to post it. I usually write with pens that are unposted, and that's plenty long enough for that purpose. So part of the Conklin Heritage collection, the Conklinetta side button filler. A really, really gorgeous pen. So thanks for watching this little introduction to the Conklin Conklinetta side button filler, and the third of the Heritage collection. See you next time. Bye-bye.